The Morgan Report with David Morgan. Discover how to build and protect your wealth at themorganreport.com.
David Morgan with themorganreport.com for the week ending 31 May 2024. Well, I'll be brief this time. I'm on my Twitter feed at SilverGuru22. There's a header and a picture, and I'm just going to talk about this first post right here because we just finished the premium members report. I'm going to read the whole thing to you, but opening thoughts is the editorial. Talked a lot about the current gold and silver markets, how much it experienced notable fluctuations this month. All that's happened, talked about some of our peer group and what they're expecting in the near term and the longer term. Also about what's going on in Mexico, or one of our colleagues is concerned about the elections, which are tomorrow, June 2nd. And we have a very well-established contact, well up the food chain, that's very in tune with the political class and what's going on in the mining industry, which we have interviewed for our premium members in the past. We'll do so in the future. We're just going to hold off till after the elections are completed to do an update on that. Make a case for copper. We liked Ivanhoe some time ago. Some of our readers have bought it long ago. Very happy with that. Also did an update on platinum and why we still favor platinum over palladium, and what we're expecting in the future, and why it's probably not suitable for most investors. Gold and silver would be your primary precious metals investment. Platinum be something you could add on to. Always covering the blockchain and the load project. Lots going on there, which I don't have to tell most of you. Company updates. We had earnings seasons, and of course, as we get higher gold and silver prices, those earnings go right to the bottom line. And of course, Wall Street hasn't recognized it yet. Of course, these stocks have moved, some rather significantly, others are just kind of lagging along. But there's a long ways to go on on many of these companies. And then we have a new writer, Peter Pham, has been contributing to the Morgan Report the last few months. A great article talking about the New World Order and what the change in currencies really means. And as always, we've done letters to the editor and took on, for one, what the percentage of exposure to Mexico there is in all the stocks that are in our portfolio. Some are as high as 100%. Some are in the 12, 14%. And we also projected out like 5 years from now that 12 to 14% will drop to like 7%. So pretty good overview for those that are worried about the Mexican election and what would happen. Let me just calm your nerves here that even if this woman in Mexico gets elected who sounds as if she's anti-mining, most of it is just rhetoric for political purposes. And they can't change the law. The law is intact. NAFTA is intact. Could they do something? Yes, but it's not an overnight deal. It would take legislative action. So again, we'll go into that depending on the outcome of the election with our premium members. If you are interested, remember we are giving a free consultation to new premium members. With yours truly, it will be one-on-one with me. It could be a Zoom call or it could be a phone only. And of course, you can write ahead of time all the topics that you want to discuss with me before we do the connection. That's it for this week. I'll be back with you next week with another weekly perspective. David Morgan of themorganreport.com. Hello, it's David Morgan again. The financial landscape has drastically shifted since the pandemic. The old rules, they no longer apply. Inflation is spiraling and traditional investment paths aren't making you wealthy. You're watching your wealth diminish. But here's the good news. You don't have to be a passive spectator to your own financial decline. We're thrilled to announce an exclusive limited time offer at the Morgan Report. For those who join us now as premium or mastermind members, you'll receive a complimentary 30-minute consultation with me. With decades of experience, I can help you navigate even the toughest economic climates. This is your chance to get personalized advice tailored just for you. But act fast, this offer won't last long. Whether you're looking to refine your current financial strategy or start fresh, this consultation could be the turning point. Imagine having direct access to insights that could safeguard and grow your investments during these volatile times. Signing up is easy. Just head over to themorganreport.com. As a member, Not only will you get this exclusive consultation, but you'll also gain immediate access to the Morgan Report Opportunities, a resource where we share our top investment recommendations and strategies. Don't just take our word for it. New members can try us out for 30 days. If you find the consultation and advisory newsletter isn't for you, we'll refund your money. Remember, this offer is only available for a limited time. Don't miss your chance to get ahead in this uncertain economic climate. Join as a premium or mastermind member today and start your journey toward a more secure financial future. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the offer or your investment strategy, leave us a message. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and keep building your wealth.